WatchSpec service database administration allows the admin level users to manage brands directly and to approve brand suggestion coming from the staff level users and those submitted via API. In this demo, we are focusing on the direct management of brands in the database. This can be accessed through the respective link in the navigation bar, and the page that opens has the respective header with the count of the brands that are currently in the database. The top section also has the control for adding new brands. Under this, there is a search and filtering section for brands level. This is only search section, and the button allowing to clear any search and filtering inputs. So this is pretty much standard. The grid itself displays the brand name and its related information such as the rank, abbreviation, alternate spelling, and the logo. For each line, there is a respective control that allows editing or removing the brand information. Removing should be used with caution. Edit functionality for the admin user is more extensive than that for the supervisor user, as the admin can edit all the fields related to the brand. So in addition to the standard information that is displayed in the grid, once opening the form for each individual brand, we can see if there are any additional settings related to it. Those would be the global values applied. So the view form has this, for the admin, has the same controls as the grid, that is edit and delete controls. If I click edit now, we can see all the global values that are currently available for setting, and these are set up more flexibly than in the documentation, so we can see not only those that are marked as they locked to the brand level, but all of the global values regardless. And if I select any of the options here, they will be displayed as available for this brand specs, individual watch specs. The user can either choose to update the information or just come back to the grid without applying any changes. The header is interactive, so it allows changing the sorting from the default, which is by ranking, to the reverse or alphabetic and reverse applied to any of the fields that have the input, such as, for example, sorting the names alphabetically and in the reverse order, and the abbreviation as well. Currently, at the time of the demo, we have 12 brands set up. 11 of them are in the consecutive order, and there is one number 19 that is to demonstrate additional settings available for the brands. So let's proceed with adding brand number 12, ranking number 12. That would be number 13 in this version of data that we have. So the name and the abbreviation fields are mandatory, with the abbreviation being the key one of the key components of the individual spec ID, watch spec ID. So those are mandatory, and those are the abbreviations are also checked for uniqueness. So if I attempt to create a brand without adding any of this information, I will have the error notification. The rank, if left blank, is automatically set up as the next next digit to the greatest that is already used in the database. As you remember, it is number 19 currently, but we are adding number 12. If I attempt using any of the ranks that are already taken, I should get an error message. So let's add the brand ranking 12. I just provide this information, and I provide the abbreviation, and hit create brand. I receive the notification that this number is already taken, so I correct it, and let's choose the logo for it, and proceed to creating a brand. Once all of the information is verified, the brand is created, and I can go ahead and edit information. Let's please ignore the inputs that are currently showing in the dropdown, because those are just random settings used for testing. So I set it up as none and update the brand, and now this shows under the default attributes. If I decide to remove the brand, the page gives me a warning. I choose to cancel and keep it. So that's basically it for the brand management.